unmute it. Hi, welcome to your home workout for today. Very excited dog, as you can see. Your warm-up today is 3 rounds, 30-second run on the spot, so knees and arms pumping. It's just to get your heart rate up, so don't go at it like a nut job. Just sort of, get your blood pumping, get your heart rate going. And then 10 narrow stance air squats, so feet as close together as you can get them, and then perform an air squat. So hips go back, you come down, and you get down as low as you can get, okay, and then back up. And you'll be doing 10 of those, and then 10 toe touches. So hands start above your head, and then bring your leg up and your hand down to meet your foot. So, and always return your hands back up to above your head, okay? So 3 rounds of that. Then your strength section is 3 to 5 rounds. This is for quality, not for time, so make sure you're doing good quality reps. Try and film yourself and maybe make corrections. So film your first round, do it with a slightly lighter weight, and if there's anything, then watch it back, and if there's anything you feel as though you need to correct it on the second round with a light weight, and then maybe move up weight for your 3rd, 4th or 5th round, depending on how many you're doing. So 20 dumbbell or kettlebell goblet squats. So if you're doing it with a kettlebell, so you can hold it that way, you can hold it that way, whichever way you feel is easiest. I prefer that way. And then all you do, get yourself into your air squat position, hips back, down you go, and back up. And try and keep your chest upright. If you're doing it with a dumbbell, same sort of thing. Hold the dumbbell just underneath the head, and then hips back, and perform your air squat, and then back up. So that's 20 of those, and then 30 star jumps, as you probably know by now. Okay, and then 10 stiff leg deadlift. So if you've got a dumbbell and you're doing it with a dumbbell, hold both heads of the dumbbell, keep your legs straight, and okay, if you can get down to the floor you can, if you can't you just go down as far as you can. Start with a lighter weight and see how that feels, because it's not something we do very often, so just watch your back and your hamstrings. So start with the lighter weight. If it feels too easy, move up to a slightly heavier weight. Obviously you can do these with a rucksack full of books or bottles of water or whatever. That way you can adjust the weight as and when needed. And then 30 star jumps. Your core section, 3 to 5 rounds, 10 V sit-ups. So on the ground, feet on the floor, hands behind you stretched out, and then just raise your hands and your shoulders and your head off the ground, and then your feet off the ground and meet in the middle. Okay, and then 20 banded good mornings. If you don't have a band, you can put a rucksack on your back. You could use a dumbbell, but if you're going to use a dumbbell, be very, very careful. Make sure you hang on to it and perform your good morning. Same as you would as if you had a barbell, but make sure you don't use a heavy dumbbell. Or if you've got a broom handle, do it with a broom handle. And then your workout is a 10-minute AMRAP. You're going to be doing 10 hang dumbbell clean and press. So it's not a squat clean, so you can power clean it and then press. It's not a jerk, so it's not a, it's a press. Okay? And then 10 down ups, which again I'm sure you all know by now is basically a burpee without the jump at the end. So hands on the floor, legs back, chest to floor, press yourself up, legs in, stand up. Okay. Then your conditioning for today is 4 rounds for time of 60 lunges and 20 push-ups. The lunges can be 10 on one leg, 10 on the other. They can be alternating. They can be any way you want. And then your mobility section, 3 rounds, 30 seconds holding the stretch, 30 seconds rest. You're going to do a Samson stretch on each side, a half kneeling quad stretch on each side, and a wall hinge. As usual, brilliant videos on BoxMate. Have a look at the videos, follow the videos. The Samson stretch I find brilliant, so give that one a go, guys. Okay, enjoy.